Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the part 2. The first chapter in part 2 is word problems. Word problems, addition and subtraction. So first we will understanding the addition. So look at this example. The Aunt Uma bought 5 kilograms of tur dal for rupees 345 and 20 kilograms of rice for rupees 789. So how much money did Aunt Uma spend? So Aunt Uma ने काय केलेले आहे इथे 5 kilograms of तूर डाळ and 20 kilograms of rice बाउट केलेलं म्हणजे खरेदी केलेला आहे. तर उमा आंटीला एकूण किती मनी स्पेंड केली, किती पैसे दिले एकूण. So using this table we will solving this example. So the first is what information is given. So आपल्याला कोणती इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेली आहे. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ तूर डाळ अँड द राईस इज गिवन. तर आपल्याला माहीत आहे तूर डाळचा कॉस्ट आणि राईसचा. ओके. सो व्हॉट इज आस्क्ड, आपल्याला काय विचारलेलं आहे. सो इथं हाऊ मच मनी डीड आंट उमा स्पेंड, उमा आंटीने एकूण किती मनी त्या शॉपकीपरला दिली ते आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. तो इथं टोटल कॉस्ट विचारलेला आहे. काय विचारलेलं इथं टोटल कॉस्ट. सो व्हॉट मेथड शुड बी यूज, तर आपण हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करण्यासाठी कोणती मेथड यूज करणार, आपण ॲडिशनचा वापर करणार. कारण आपलं पॉईंट काय इथं ॲडिशन आहे, तर आपण इथं काय करणार, ॲडिशन करणार. सो मेथड काय इथं कॉस्ट ऑफ दाल. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ दाल इज रुपीज 345. Cost of rice is rupees 789. Arrange this example and solve. So and Uma spent rupees 1134 in all. Okay, this is our answer. So we will solving this example using this table. Okay, now look at the another example. The cost of refrigerator is rupees 13,750 and the cost of a cupboard is rupees 8,999. So how much must we pay the shopkeeper to buy them both? So this is the answer. Okay, you can solve this example like that, but we will solving this example using this table. Okay, now so let's solve this exercise. The first question is Babu Rao planted 143 sweet lime trees and 156 chiku trees in his orchard. So how many trees did he plant in all? So first question is Babu Rao planted 143 sweet lime trees and 156 chiku trees in his orchard. How many trees did he plant in all? So first question is what information is given. So what information is given? So the information is given planted trees is sweet limes 143 sweet lime trees and 156 chiku trees. So this information is given. So we will writing here planted 143 sweet lime and 156 chiku trees. Okay, so this information is given. So you're writing here this information. So what is asked? So काय विचारलं आपल्याला इथं, how many trees did he plant. सो इथं विचारलेलं आपलं टोटल प्लांटेड ट्रीज. सो वी रायटिंग हिअर इन सिम्पली टोटल. सो वी रायटिंग हिअर ओनली टोटल. सो व्हॉट मेथड शुड बी यूज. सो व्हॉट मेथड वी विल यूजिंग हिअर. सो हिअर मेथड वी विल यूज हिअर addition. So it is addition. Now write here method So write here method. So it is sweet lime trees, sweet lime trees, sweet lime trees is 143, and chiku trees 156. Now add these 143 and 156, so it is 9. It is 2. So total is 299 trees did he plant in all. So he plant in all 299 trees. This is our answer. Hope you understand how to solve this exercise. Now next example is Priyanka bought books worth rupees 245 and notebooks worth rupees 178. So how much did she spend altogether? So what information is given? So it is books worth and notebooks worth. So we're writing here only simply books and notebooks worth. Okay, so what is asked? Altogether she spent altogether money, so we're writing here only total. And what method should be used? So it is addition. Now writing here method, so it is books worth is rupees 245 and notebook worth is rupees 178. Now let's add this 245 178, so it is 13, carry 1, so it is 12, carry 1, so it is 423. So this is our answer. So you can writing in here she spent altogether 423 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. Hope you understand how to solve this exercise. Now we'll stop here. Thank you.